In this video, I will show you how to fix the Kick chat not working issue. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. If your connection is slow or unstable, try switching to a different network and then reload the Kick website. Next, sign into your Kick account and open the kick.com in your web browser. Go to your creator dashboard and check whether chat is working there. If you can send and receive messages in the dashboard, the issue may be limited to your live stream page. If the chat isn't working, refresh the stream page and try sending a message again. You can also sign out of your Kick account, then sign back in and check if the issue is resolved. If you're using browser extensions such as ad blockers, VPNs, or proxy services, disable them and reload the page. These can sometimes interfere with Kick's chat functionality. You also want to clear your browser cache. For that, you can click on the three dots. Now find the option of Delete Browsing Data. Select All Time and make sure you have selected cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Then click on the Delete Data option. You can also try updating your browser or switching your web browser, then open Kick and check. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.